touch my hair. Be honest, you want this.
Oh, nah, yeah. Ambassador, go to check, and governor, go to check.
Hi everyone, tania.kns here, and today I'm presenting you my Puffy bands. So it's headbands made out of African fabric and satin fabric that I make myself. So the goals for those puffy band is just to attach your hair, to tie your hair without any tension to your roots, and just to have at the same time your hair really sleek down. You can also use those puffy bands just to tie your hair in the back without any tension and no effect of really sleek down. I'm also going to use a growth oil, hair growth oil in this video that are also going to be linked to who did it and to my previous video in which I presented it. And so I'm just going to show you in this video 3 different styles so you can know how to style your hair with those puffy bands. And so right now I'm just going to start and show you exactly how I use those puffy bands.
Or 7 waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love.
You'll also be able to find those puffy bands on my website at tania.kns.com under the page TSN Shop. I also included the part where I put my cream skin on because I received it from influencer and it's really good for my skin. I've been using it for over a month right now and it's really doing good with my skin, so I just recommended it to people that are looking for a good cream skin, and it's also going to be linked down below in the description box. So that's gonna be it for me today. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.